Hello, my name is Jimmy and welcome. Today we're going to check out the 2021 Acura TLX, and we're going to see if it can family. I have the Clek Liing as well as the Clek Foonf already installed in the backseat of this car, so let's take a look to see exactly how well it fits. Alright, inside the TLX. In the back seat here for the TLX, we have two sets of lower anchors, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. As you can see, I have the Foonf already installed in the back seat of the passenger side, and I have the base for the Liing on the driver's side. What actually surprised me quite a bit was just how much room there is inside this vehicle. The doors themselves, they don't open all that wide, which is sort of an inconvenience. However, the front seats, I didn't have to move them all that far forward. As you can see, I fit quite well on the passenger side here, as well as on the driver's side in front of the Liing. When it's time to turn the Foonf around to its forward-facing position, there are three sets of upper anchors just behind the headrest, and they're actually quite easy to get to. But let's put the Liing in just to see how well you're able to wedge the seat inside that door. Putting the Liing in itself is not too difficult. I have the front seat moved back, so kind of have to wedge it in a little bit. But yeah, there's enough clearance on the top end. The seat itself is low enough where you're able to slide the Liing in relatively easily. And that's how well the Clek Liing, Clek Foonf fits all within this very pretty package. In any case, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section down below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Take care.